Hi guys, and welcome back to 9Honey Hacks, and today I'm going to show you 3 really easy things you can do with leftover hot cross buns to breathe a bit of extra life into them. First up, so simple it hurts, the cheese board. All you need to do is toast your leftover hot cross buns and pair them with some beautiful cheese. Trick number 2, salted caramel hot cross buns. You need to keep this stuff in your fridge anyway. It's basically just sugar, water, cream and butter, and then you add a pinch of salt at the end for the most incredible caramel sauce of your life, and then drizzle it onto your hot cross buns, and then a little bit of salt. All right, last but not least, my personal favorite, the unicorn hot cross bun. What we've got here is a raspberry and white chocolate hot cross bun. There's all sorts of different flavors on the market this season, so we've gone with a pink one for our unicorn theme. Some pink buttercream, really easy, butter, sugar, whip it up to your heart's content, and then pipe on your unicorn horn. Go all out. This is one that the kids love. And then sprinkle away, and a little bit of gold dust, because who doesn't want gold dust? And there you have it. 3 things you can do with your leftover hot cross buns that will give them a whole new life. Happy Easter.